guys, see what we received. It don't land. Hey, so I'm so excited to unbox this with us. Let's go inside and unbox. Today is Sunday and I received it. I got this package. It's a PR package too this week, and I also got this one. It's a PR package this week, like just now. Like just came back from church. You know, there was a time that I was complaining that YouTube is this, YouTube is okay. Like I'm just here to appreciate everyone like that encourage me. Like look, I can be you. What are you saying? Why do you want to quit YouTube? You are going nowhere. So thank you. Like recently, I started putting out my contact for brand collaborations, PR packages. Like I'm ready for all of these things. So this is a very short video. Like it's a PR package. That means they want me to do a video on it. So we are going to do that video. Not in this one, but I'm just telling you that we got this, we got them. So please, when you see these videos up, please help me to engage that video, you know, so that more PR packages can come. I know a lot of you have been asking me, Lua Kembi, how can we support your channel? Like, you're doing a great job. This is how you can support my videos. So are you a struggling YouTuber with low views? Come closer, this video is for you. Let me tell you one thing that I did differently that brought all of this to me. One, I try to just show people that I am ready for branding. In my description and in my bios, I included my email address. One thing about all of this, companies want to come to your social media handles, they want to talk to you directly with emails. So I included all my emails. And another thing that I did is to make sure that I say something about branding in my videos, in my descriptions, just to make the algorithm puts out my video to people, the companies that are looking for PRs. And in all of this thing, I will still encourage us that in case you are doing all of this and it's still not coming, please be calm. Everything is going to work out. And another thing that I must point out is that as much as we are now longing to work with brands, there are a lot of scams activity going on, especially if you are in this part of the country. Lot of scams activities. One thing that you can use to identify all of this scam is when they start asking you to pay a particular fee to do a link, put your information, like you will just know, let your instincts direct you at the point that you feel this is scam. I got a particular one that looks so close to a scam and I was being careful. So please, in all of this, still be careful in looking out for brands to work with. I hope all of this help. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe.
Interesting parts. They reached out to me.
PRs, I am available. This is a call to all complain, all everyone. I am available for brand deals, for collaborations, and for that money. YouTube is actually paying right now. So when you see all these videos, please encourage me by viewing them, by sharing them, so that more PR packages can come my way. Thank you. So my name is Lua Kembi. I'm a Canada-based content creator based in Winnipeg precisely, and I am available for all collaboration and branding. So please send them all my way. Just reach out to me in my email. My email for brand collaboration only is in the description of this video. So I am available for your brand. Come look for me before you hear, no, I can't do this one again. I am still available. See you in my next video.